Sir Steve, here's the grocery for Nanay Bebe. Lots of biscuit, Milo, noodles, coffee, and sardines. Sir Steve, here's the total of the grocery of Nanay Bebe. The total is 1,256 and this is the change. I will give it to her for her medicine. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. Sir Steve, here's the 5 kilos of rice and I will give it to her also. I will buy. Okay na. Steve, let's give to Nanay Bebe the grocery and the 5 kilos of rice and our change. He wants to buy, she wants to buy some medicine. Yeah. Thank you ka na lang, Mande.
Thank you po, sir.
Sir Steve,
Sir Steve,
thank you so much.
thank you so much po sa inyo.
Yeah. Nanay Bebe, it's a big help for her medicine. Thank you. Love you, Sir Steve.